In this video, I'm going to show you how to get the best Uber voucher codes in 2024. So with that in mind, let's jump right into it. First of all, go to your web browser and you'll have to search for Uber promo codes. And right here, you'll see there are a bunch of websites, but you'll have to scroll down until you should be able to find this one right here, which is couponfollow.com, and go to that website. So right here, as you can see, we have a list with different type of promo codes and deals that we can choose from. For example, if you want to get this deal with 50% off, all you have to do is select get this deal, and that will redirect you to the Uber website where that discount will be automatically applied. You can also select this button, continue to the offer, in order to be redirected. So if you go back to your main search right here, you should be able to see also this coupon chief website. And right here, as you can see, we have other different type of promo codes that we can use. For example, if you want to get this free first ride promo code, all you have to do is select get promo code right here, and this is your code. So on your first ride, you'll have to insert this promo code in order to get this discount. So this is all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.